Hey guys, today we're going to be learning about tires. Let's get to it. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to locate where we can find what our tire pressure is. There's about 3 places where it could be. For mine, I have it in my gas cap on my door. And it tells me what the front one's supposed to be at, 45 PSI, and my back one is supposed to be at 60 PSI. But you can also find it in your door jambs, so when you open your car door, it should be in that spot where the door seals. And if you can't find it there, check your owner's manual. Alright, so to check your tire pressure, you're going to want this handy dandy tool right here. And what you're going to do first is unscrew the cap. And you're going to put this onto here, and it should pop out. And right now we're about 40 PSI. Let's try it again. We're still right at 40, so we're a little low. So what I'm gonna wanna do is take it to either Discount Tires, Costco, Walmart, or I can fill it up myself and just fill it up to the prescribed amount on your car. So that is how you check your tire pressure. Next, we're gonna learn about what all of these numbers and letters mean on our tire. All right, the first number we're gonna look at right here is 245. This is the width of the tire in millimeters, which is the distance between here and here. The next thing we're gonna look at is a 75 right here, and that is what's called the aspect ratio, which is the ratio between the width and the height of the tire. The next thing we see right here is R, which stands for radius. Our radius is 16. This is in inches between here, this point, and the edge of the tire. That is how many inches is the distance right there. This number right here, 120, is what is called your load rating. So if you have a truck, your tire load rating might want to be higher if you plan on carrying heavy loads. If not, you can go with a lower load rating if you'd like. And then this next thing right here is an S, and this last letter is your speed rating. Okay, the next thing I'm going to talk about is a penny trick to see if you need to get new tires or not. It's very important that you have good tires. If your tread is too little, it just takes your car longer and longer to stop, which can become very dangerous. So something to check that is you take a penny, and what you're going to do is you're going to flip it upside down so Abe's head is closest to the tire, and you're going to stick them all the way down into the treads. If it's covering part of his head, you are good. If it is close, if it looks like this, you need to start considering buying new tires. And if it looks like this, you need to get new tires like now. That is dangerous, really dangerous. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any more questions, put it in the comments, and or go watch another one of my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks guys, bye. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.